Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove color of first page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here some page with page color. Now we want to remove the page color on the first page. Go to the page design option, then click background option, then select no background, then go to the another page and we can see here remove the color only first page this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.